When you have your own lawn at home, one of the essential tools you must have is a weed trimmer. Whether you own an expansive or small yard, you can see the advantages that a weed trimmer has brought to its users. A weed eater is one of the most important lawn care tools you must have to maintain your lawn area properly. It is an instrument used to trim grass, weeds, and also cut in the hard-to-reach parts of your garden. When it comes to string trimmers, it comes with three types: gas-powered, electric, or battery-powered. All of these are meant for cutting and trimming grass on your lawn. Such string trimmers, as they are otherwise known, can be used as edgers and mowers at the same time. Whether you get a gas trimmer, electric trimmer, or a battery-powered trimmer, there are advantages you will gain from it. There may be other machines that you can use for trimming your lawn's tall grasses, such as the lawn mower. Yet it doesn't offer the same ease of use as the weed trimmers. With a string trimmer, it can be very easy for trimming, mowing, or edging. You do not need to be a professional before you can make use of the machine for gardening. The device itself is simple to operate, regardless of the type you have. If it is an electric type, only plug it into an electric outlet to switch on the machine and you are ready to start working. If you have the battery, once the battery is fully loaded and attached to the unit, you only have to switch it on and can start doing the job. The gas-powered type is also not a challenging machine to use. Trimming or edging with the tool can be easy. Another advantage you will get from this type of device is that it is lighter than most of the weed trimming or grass cutting tools used for gardening. These weed trimmers are so light and they do not even vibrate quite as much. Even some older children may work with them in the garden. It is an excellent piece of equipment for you to use and teach your child how to trim or cut grass in your garden. They can comfortably lift and hold the trimmer for a long hour during work. Make sure while working on your lawn, you are also in your proper attire for trimming and gardening. There may be tendencies when small cuts of grass, stones, or small objects will fly and be thrown as far as to your face. For safety purposes, always protect your face, especially your eyes, hands, and even the right footwear to prevent such freak accidents. Weed trimmers do not have much impact or bad effect on the environment. If you have the electric or battery-powered weed trimmer, you will not disturb your neighbors when working on your garden with this equipment. They are the best choice for people who want to avoid producing sound pollution. Such types of weed trimmers do not lead to any gas or fumes emissions to the Earth's atmosphere. Plus, you won't smell like gas anymore. Thus, they are environmentally friendly since fewer emissions are being created. Thanks for watching. Until next time.